Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to join the Donut SMP Minecraft Bedrock Edition server. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. All you have to do is to click on play right here. Then from here you're going to click on multiplayer experiences. Then from here you're going to click on add server. In the server name you can just name it whatever, so for example Donut SMP. And then for the server address you're going to write donutsmp.net, just like this, and then you're going to keep the port number as it is, and you're going to click on add and play. Then it's going to say caution third-party online play, then click on proceed. Now from here is going to connect you to the external server, and then you're going to click on download everything and join. And so you'll have it right here, and you can just join it and play whenever you want. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.